Richmond American Homes is pleased to introduce the Graham, a stunning ranch-style floor plan with airy 10-foot ceilings and dramatic designer details at every turn. As you enter this elegant home, you'll immediately notice its open dining room and generous great room with multi-slide doors leading onto the relaxing covered patio. Perfect for entertaining, this modern design option extends the home's living space and adds a sense of serenity by bringing the outdoors in. Right off the great room is an impressive kitchen with optional floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, an immense center island designed to seat 4, and a large walk-in pantry, which can be optioned as a tech center. An adjacent mudroom features an optional key drop for added convenience. A hallway off the home's entry leads to a convenient laundry room, an inviting bedroom with a walk-in closet, a full bathroom, and a lavish master suite with a roomy walk-in closet and a private spa-like bathroom with optional walk-in shower. Now let's head downstairs to the home's spacious finished basement. Ideal for both intimate and large gatherings, the versatile space features an expansive rec room with an optional wet bar, an additional bathroom, and 2 comfortable bedrooms, each with its very own walk-in closet. With incredible included features and hundreds of exciting personalization options, the Graham is the home you've always envisioned. Designed with you in mind for the way you want to live. Richmond American Homes.